Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha Coca, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a tangy, spicy and full of flavors fish pulusu. This goes very well with the hot steaming rice, and let's see how to make this. And if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Let's watch how to make this fish pulusu. Add oil. Once the oil is warm enough, add onions. Add green chilli. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric, red chilli powder, add coriander powder, garam masala powder, add salt, add the fish pieces. Stir this once. Once the fish is mixed properly, add tamarind paste or tamarind juice. Add coriander leaves and let this cook completely for 15 to 20 minutes. Just give a shake to this, and don't flip this as it might break. The pieces might break, so just keep flipping like this to get evenly cooked. Keep lid again. So here the fish pulsu is ready, and we'll garnish with coriander leaves and switch off the flame. So here the fish pulsu is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.